dance, shadows fall. Every step I've seen it all. Paper stacked like dominoes, one wrong move and down they go. I keep my head up, I've got the plan. I'm the right-hand woman, the weight's in my hands. But beneath the calm, the polished seams, I'm hiding secrets and broken dreams. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, I carry it alone. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, with a heart made of stone. Danger in disguise, I walk a fragile line, balancing the darkness with the grace that's borderline. Oh, I miss pollen, I miss pollen, more than they believe. I drive that moped fast as hell, but there's more beneath my sleeves. Classified files, late night calls, dodging bullets, breaking laws, wiping out the trails they leave, the blood, the dust, the webs they weave. Behind the curtain, I'm the queen in a chessboard world. I'm rarely seen, but when no one's there, I play my song. Let the notes remind me where I belong. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, I carry it alone. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, with a heart made of stone. Danger in disguise, I walk a fragile line, balancing the darkness with the grace that's borderline. Oh, I miss pollen, I miss pollen, more than they believe. I drive that moped fast as hell, but there's more beneath my sleeves. I'm more than just the ink and pen. I've fought through fire and back again. A smile that hides 1,000 scars, a fighter beneath these burning stars. But oh, the silence weighs me down. When no one's near, I can't make a sound. My fingers trace the ivories, longing for some melody. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, I carry it alone. I miss pollen, I miss pollen, with a heart made of stone. The danger in disguise, I walk a fragile line, balancing the darkness with the grace that's borderline. Oh, I miss pollen, I miss pollen, more than they believe. I drive that moped fast as hell, but there's more beneath my sleeves. I play my song when no one's near, but even I can't shed these tears. In the silence I remain, carrying the weight, hiding the pain. I miss pollen, I miss pollen.